Yeah, so we're back on the Nova. So today I'm going to go ahead, we're going to put the support on. I got to lift the motor up before we do that. I got to get the headers on. Got to get as much stuff as I can on before I do actually put the radiator support on, just to make sure all my clearances are good. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the header in, and we're going to go from there. Hopefully we get a bunch of parts bolted on this car. Hopefully. All right, so the header's in. I had to lift up the car. It's kind of a pain in the butt. The header wrap got in the way of the bolt, but it's in there. So moving on. I'm going to throw the distributor in and the thermostat housing. I'm going to go ahead and set this to top dead center. Now I still have to take these valve springs off. Kind of thinking now. Probably should have just did that on the engine stand. Yeah, that would just be too easy though, right? I got my top dead center. I'm going to throw my distributor in. We had a little problem. I guess the crank bolt was a little too short and it pulled the end threads out. Got it figured out. I got the threads back where they need to be. I do have to get another bolt, but I did get it around to top dead center. So I'm going to put the distributor in now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the distributor in now. I'm going to go ahead and put that distributor in. All right, for the distributor, I got me one of them eBay $80 specials. This was actually a really nice kit, guys. Ooh, can't stand that noise. Cool. That's amazing. Distributor, I got the black cap because the red, I just don't like the red. Plus, I got the red wires. I would much prefer the red wires versus the red cap. Oh, wow, it's actually got a top on it. Cool. So anyway, let me pay 80, 90 bucks for this thing. Came with spark plug wires that are way too big, but hey, you know, overkill is better than underkill, right? Yeah, these you get so these aren't set. You get to actually set the lengths yourself. So that just made a whole bunch of extra work for me. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this out. Yup, it's a distributor. Ooh, easy. All right, let's go put it in. Okay, little pump's pointing in the right direction. Come on. What is the... Why won't you go down? What the? Why are you being like this? Things didn't go quite as planned. Alright, so I was hooking up the headers. I was trying to get it together. I put the distributor in. The distributor was sticking out of the intake about 1 inch. Wasn't sure what the hell was going on. Messed with it for an hour. Got some other distributors. Couldn't figure it out. Finally, figured it out. I bought the wrong intermediate shaft for my oil pump. It was for a big block, not a small block. So, I got the right pump shaft, pulled it back out, and here it is. Dropped the pan, got everything back together. All that good stuff. Got a few more things bolted on, and now we're gonna put it in and continue bolting stuff onto it. Alright, so I'm going to just go ahead, jump right into it because I got a lot of catching up to do. It's been sitting here for a week like this and I'm not happy with that. It's actually giving me anxiety and stuff like that. But I'm going to just get back into it. Alright, back to where I started. Bolted up the header. Yeah, and it went way easier this time for some reason. Imagine that. Yeah, a few more things. I just got to replace that hose right there because that end is no longer, it doesn't want to play anymore. So I'm going to replace that hose and start bolting some more stuff on the engine. So that's it, guys. So I got the hose in. I got everything bolted up. I wound up going ahead, just putting my radiator hoses on, my radiator in. I started plumbing stuff. You know, I threw my fuel pump in over here. Got all this put in over here. Got my cooler lines all hooked up, all that good stuff. Make sure everything's good. Got my motor mount bolts in. Starter was put on. The distributor went in good. Yeah, thermostat housing, all that good stuff. But like I said, now I have to go ahead and wire it up. So I got to get rid of this old glass fuse panel. It's been like a week and a half since I started this, so I'm at a point now where I have to stop because I have to do that wiring harness. This wiring harness right here. There it is. Yeah. So that's got to go in. I got to take all the old wires out of my car, which is not a big deal. It's pretty quick. But I'm at a point now where I'm stopping on this, and I'm going to continue it in another video. I have some other things I have to hop onto, so yeah, I mean, you guys might like it, so stick around. Catch the next video.